Every single morning when the sun comes up, God is giving you a brand new start. It doesn't matter what happened yesterday. It doesn't matter what went wrong, who hurt you, or what mistakes you made. That is in the past. Today is a new day, a fresh opportunity to live in joy and victory. You have to make a decision that you're not going to carry yesterday's garbage into this beautiful new day. Don't let the disappointments of the past poison the potential of your future. See each sunrise as a sign from God that your story isn't over, and He has something amazing in store for you. It's a chance to wipe the slate clean and begin again with a fresh attitude. I know someone who used to wake up every morning thinking about all the things that went wrong the day before. He would replay his mistakes, rehash old arguments, and relive every single frustration. This heavy burden made it impossible for him to see the good that was in front of him. His days were filled with discouragement before they even began. But one day, he decided to make a change. He decided he would leave yesterday where it belongs, in the past. When he woke up, he would say, "God, thank you for this new day. I'm letting go of yesterday and I'm stepping into the blessing you have for me right now." That simple shift in his mindset changed everything. Instead of waking up with a sense of dread, he started waking up with a sense of expectation. He knew that God's mercies are new every morning. This is what you have to do. You have to draw a line in the sand and declare that yesterday's failures will not define your today. You are not who you were yesterday. You are growing, you are learning, and you are moving forward. Don't let old baggage weigh you down and prevent you from reaching the amazing destiny God has for you. Let go of the old so you can embrace the new. You might be thinking, "Joel, that's easier said than done. I have real problems and real hurts." I understand that, but you have a choice to make. Are you going to focus on the problem, or are you going to focus on the God who is bigger than your problem? Are you going to let bitterness take root, or are you going to choose forgiveness and peace? Your attitude sets the tone for your entire day. Choose an attitude of victory. Choose an attitude of faith. When you do that, you are opening the door for God to do incredible things in your life. Start this day fresh. It's a gift. Before the world gets loud and the demands of the day start pulling at you, take a few quiet moments for yourself. This is so important. Find a peaceful spot in your home, maybe with a cup of coffee, and just be still. This isn't a time to worry about your to-do list or think about your challenges. This is a time to connect with God and fill your spirit with peace and gratitude. Just take a few deep breaths and thank God for waking you up. Thank Him for the air in your lungs, for the roof over your head, and for the people who love you. Starting your day with gratitude shifts your entire perspective. When you take time for this quiet reflection, you are inviting God into your day. You are saying, "God, I can't do this on my own. I need your strength, your wisdom, and your favor." This humility is what activates God's power in your life. Don't rush into your day feeling stressed and overwhelmed. Instead, start from a place of peace. Remind yourself that the Creator of the universe is on your side. He is fighting your battles for you. When you begin your day with prayer, you are arming yourself with the faith you need to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. It's like putting on spiritual armor for the day ahead. Think about all the things you have to be thankful for. It's easy to focus on what's wrong, but faith is about focusing on what's right. Do you have your health? Thank God for it. Do you have a family that loves you? That is a precious gift. Do you have opportunities in front of you? Those are blessings from God. Even if things aren't perfect, you can always find something to be grateful for. When you have an attitude of gratitude, it opens the door for more blessings to come into your life. What you thank God for, He will multiply. So, make this a new habit. Before you check your phone, before you turn on the news, take just 5 minutes to be still and thankful. Ask God to guide your steps, to give you His peace, and to help you be a blessing to others. This simple practice will have a powerful impact. It will set a positive tone for your entire day. It will remind you that you are not alone and that God has everything under control. You will go out with more joy, more confidence, and more faith, ready to handle whatever the day brings. As you start your day with a fresh attitude, you should also make a conscious plan to be a blessing to others. It's not enough to just feel good on the inside. We are called to let that goodness flow out to the people around us. Make a decision that today you are going to show kindness, you are going to be quick to forgive, and you are going to extend mercy. Don't leave it to chance. Be intentional about it. Think about the people you will interact with, your family, your coworkers, the person at the grocery store, and decide right now that you will treat them with respect and compassion. Kindness is a powerful force. A simple smile, a word of encouragement, or a small act of service can completely change someone's day. You never know what battles other people are fighting. Your kindness could be the very thing that gives them hope to keep going. It doesn't have to be something big. Holding a door open for someone, letting a car merge in front of you in traffic, or giving a genuine compliment can make a huge difference. When you are a source of kindness, you are being a true representative of God's love in the world. People will see your good works and be drawn to your light. Forgiveness is another key part of this plan. People will make mistakes. They will say things that hurt you. They might disappoint you. It's easy to hold on to a grudge and let bitterness build up in your heart. But holding on to unforgiveness only hurts you. It's like drinking poison and expecting the other person to get sick. Make a decision that you will forgive quickly. Let it go. Release the offense and trust God to be your vindicator. When you forgive, you are setting yourself free to live in peace and joy. Don't let someone else's mistakes steal your happiness. Being a positive influence also means choosing your words carefully. The Bible says that life and death are in the power of the tongue. Are you speaking words of life, hope, and encouragement? Or are you complaining, criticizing, and speaking doubt? Use your words to build people up, not tear them down. Look for the good in others and speak it out. When you make a plan to be kind, to forgive, and to be positive, you are not just changing your own life. You are creating a ripple effect of goodness that will touch everyone you meet. Your perspective has the power to shape your reality. Two people can be in the same exact situation, and one can be miserable while the other is full of joy. What's the difference? It's their attitude. It's what they choose to focus on. It is so important to train yourself to see the best in life. Don't magnify your problems. Magnify your God. Don't focus on what you don't have. Thank God for what you do have. When you develop a positive perspective, you will start to see God's hand of favor in every area of your life. You will notice the good things that you used to overlook. I want you to take a moment and look at yourself. Have you fallen into a habit of negativity? Do you wake up expecting things to go wrong? Do you find yourself complaining more than you are giving thanks? If so, it's time for a change in attitude. You cannot expect to live a victorious, joy-filled life with a defeated, negative mindset. You have to get in agreement with God. God says you are blessed, you are prosperous, and you have a bright future. Start believing it. Start speaking it. Let your thoughts and words be filled with faith and expectation. Remember, what you focus on expands. If you focus on the negative, you will see more negativity. You'll find more things to complain about and more reasons to be discouraged. But if you make a conscious effort to focus on the positive, you will start to see more good. You will see the kindness in people, the beauty in the world around you, and the opportunities that God is placing in your path. A positive attitude doesn't mean you ignore your problems. It means you know your God is bigger than your problems, and you choose to live in faith instead of fear. Your actions will always follow your thoughts. If you think positive, faith-filled thoughts, you will take positive, faith-filled actions. You will step out and pursue your dreams. You will be kind to others. You will overcome obstacles with a smile on your face. You will become a living example of hope. People will look at you and wonder how you can be so joyful in the midst of challenges. Your life will become a testimony to the goodness of God. It all starts with your perspective. Choose to see the best, expect the best, and you will experience God's best. The Bible tells us in Psalm 119, verse 147, "I rise before dawn and cry for help. I have put my hope in your word." What a powerful way to start the day. Before anything else, the psalmist started his day with hope. He didn't wait to see how he felt or what the day would bring. He made a choice to place his hope in God's promises. This is what we must do as well. When you wake up, before your feet even hit the floor, declare that your hope is in the Lord. Remind yourself that He is faithful, He is good, and His word is true. This sets the foundation for a day filled with faith. When you live with this kind of hope, it changes how you see everything. Challenges don't look so big. Disappointments don't knock you down. You know that God is working all things together for your good. You have a confidence that no matter what comes against you, God will see you through to victory. This hope is not just wishful thinking, it's a confident expectation of God's goodness. It's an anchor for your soul that keeps you steady in the storms of life. People who live with this hope are not easily shaken. They have a deep down peace and joy that doesn't depend on their circumstances. Your life is a message. What is your life saying to the people around you? Are you a living example of faith and hope? Or are you showing them a life of worry and discouragement? Actions always speak louder than words. When you choose to live with a positive, faith-filled attitude, you become a beacon of light in a dark world. Your kindness, your mercy, and your unshakable hope will inspire others. They will want to know the source of your strength. You can become a walking, talking billboard for the goodness of God simply by how you choose to live each day. So I want to encourage you today. Every single day is a gift from God, full of brand new chances and fresh possibilities. Don't waste it by living in the past or worrying about the future. Make the choice this morning and every morning to start your day with a fresh attitude. Fill your heart with gratitude. Make a plan for kindness and put your hope in God. When you do this, you will not only transform your own life, but you will become a source of hope and inspiration to everyone you meet. Choose faith. Choose positivity. Choose to live your best life now.